We're inside one of the most special ice cream shops in the whole world, the Ice Cream Smuggler.
I can't wait. I love ice cream.
Well, yeah, we're here to learn how ice cream is made. Are you ready?
Yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Well, what about you at home?
Yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Hi, Wooby and Fotty. Welcome to the Ice Cream Smuggler in Dennis, Massachusetts. My name's Angela. I'm the owner. Let me show you around. This is our kitchen where we make all of our ice cream. This is the machine that we make all the ice cream on. And so we're gonna make some orange pineapple ice cream. Chris is gonna pour in the milk. All of our ice cream starts with the milk. And then we add the flavoring in. We call that an ice cream base. And that's gonna go into the machine. It's gonna mix around with that milk and make our orange pineapple flavored ice cream. And now we wait. Okay, our ice cream is done mixing in the machine. We're gonna fill our tubs up. And so you can see when it comes out, it kind of looks like Cool Whip or soft serve. We put a lid that snaps on with the flavor and the date so we know when we made it. And then into the hard box it goes to freeze. This freezer is called our hard box. It sits around -15 to -20 degrees, so it's really, really cold. And it flash freezes that ice cream, gets it really, really, really cold and really hard. And so you can see in here, there's some tubs of ice cream. It's gonna sit in here for about 24 hours, and then we're going to put it into our other freezers for storage until we're ready to scoop it. Here is our freezer where our tubs of ice cream live until we're ready to scoop them. It is 5 degrees in this freezer. So even though it's only 5 degrees, it's a lot warmer than that -20 degree hard box. The Ice Cream Smuggler goes through about 50 to 75 tubs of ice cream each day. Each container holds about 40 to 50 scoops of ice cream that's gonna then be put into cups and cones or sundaes. We have something here called the Smuggler's Treasure. It goes in this big bucket. It's 8 scoops of ice cream, sundae toppings, candy toppings, sliced banana, whipped cream, nuts, and cherries. Would you like to make one? I'll add some Oreo, strawberry, maybe a little black raspberry, mint chocolate chip. Vanilla is our most popular flavor here at the Smuggler. Ooh, I like peppermint stick. It's minty, like a candy cane. Mocha chip is good too. I have one more left. I think I'm gonna go with apple pie. Tastes just like apple pie. Okay, so I got my 8 flavors and my 8 scoops of ice cream. Let's put some hot fudge on it. I think I'll add some M&Ms to mine. Can't forget the sprinkles. Let's add some whipped cream. Wouldn't be complete without cherries on top. Can't wait. Here at the Ice Cream Smuggler, we take food allergies very seriously. Some people have allergies where they're allergic to milk or wheat or different nuts or different fruits. And so we want to make sure that they can eat here safely. When people have celiac or a wheat allergy, we use gluten-free cones so they can still enjoy. We rewash our hands really good. We get a fresh scoop that's sanitized. We scoop from a fresh tub in the back, so it hasn't been touched before. Allergy safe. This is our family table. My son Jack said this is where you can sit if you want to make new friends while you enjoy your ice cream. This is our height chart. We've had it for years, where you can come in and measure your height and see what flavor ice cream you measure to. I'm baseball bunt. Look, Chris made it all the way to the apple at the top. Be sure to come by the Ice Cream Smuggler and try our special Wooby and Fotty feature flavor. Here you go, Wooby and Fotty. Enjoy your smuggler's treasure.
Thanks, Angela.
That was delicious.
And what was your favorite?
Oh, the strawberry. No, the vanilla. No, the peppermint. No, the whipped cream. No. The fudge.
Well, what about the cherry on top?
Oh, well, yeah. I mean, that was the cherry on top. I got a tummy ache.
Well, you ate the whole thing?
Oh, yeah.
One more, Angela!